Hi, this is Tara. Hopefully you've watched Online Payment Request 101 and have followed the 4 easy steps to request a payment through our online system. But if you're experiencing a problem or something just doesn't seem right to you, we hope this video can help. The dashboard is our most recent global OGMAS change. The idea is to place all of your grants in a single location. Once inside the dashboard, a list of your open grants appears. They are broken into 2 areas. First, you will see a list of pending requests. If one of those requests is waiting for something to happen, it will be at the top of the page. Below this pending area, you will see a list of grants with their available options, such as payment or time extension. Because you have watched 4 easy steps to an online payment, you know how to request a payment from OWeb. But what if you need to stop or change that request? As long as the payment hasn't been reviewed by the project manager, you can simply navigate to the first area of pending requests, click on the payment, and click Resubmit or Withdraw on the screen. Use the Withdraw button only if you are attempting to remove the payment request entirely. Using the Resubmit option can be very helpful if you discover you made a typo or maybe want to request more funds for a bill that just came in. Once you have navigated to the correct area to request a payment, you will see one box that says Requested Amount side by side with a box that says Amount Spent. No, we are not asking for the same information twice. Amount is how much money you would like your next payment to be. The amount spent is the amount of receipts or expenses you are providing with this request. While we encourage our grantees to work on a reimbursement basis, we know that things come up, and so we allow our grantees to request in advance for funds they know they will spend within 120 days. In those cases, the amount requested will not be the same as the receipts. If you find yourself needing to record receipts, simply enter 0 in amount requested and the amount of new expenses and receipts in the amount spent box. You will need to fill out the brief description as well as a tracking sheet and receipts. Using this process will add receipts and hopefully help to resolve your advance. Because the amount will be 0, no payment request number will be assigned to this transaction. For each payment, you will need to provide a brief statement describing the project implementation status. Use this box to talk to the OWeb project manager about where your project is at. Don't reiterate the information you just uploaded in your tracking sheet and receipts. Instead, tell your project manager what milestones have happened on the project. Don't go overboard. Brief is the operative word. For example, this is not what we're looking for.
Looney Tunes WC is an excellent organization that does really great work, and we have been working so hard on this project. LTWC works tirelessly to enhance all available streams in our region, and we have applied this ethos to every aspect of this project. In the last 6 months, we have been able to make wonderful strides on our long-term goals for the Looney Tunes watershed, and this project is a keystone in that effort.
Seems a little over the top, doesn't it? This would be a better entry.
Contractor finished culvert replacement. Replanting scheduled next month.
Please be aware, if you don't enter anything into this box, you will get an error message that says,
Description of work is required.
With each payment request, you will be asked to upload 2 separate documents. Most of you will be familiar with the process of uploading a document. Click on the Choose File button, navigate to the item you wish to upload, and select. Until you actually click on the Submit button at the bottom of the page, the file is just waiting to be uploaded. The path is there, you can see this example, but the computer hasn't grabbed it yet. If you have to make a change anywhere else on the form, OGMAS will keep looking at that location for a file. When you click Submit, OGMAS does a check to make sure all necessary information is on the form. If an error occurs, you will have to go back and reselect the file you want uploaded. Both uploads are optional, meaning you can submit your request without attaching them. However, we strongly suggest you get into the habit of uploading these documents. We will return the request back to you if these items are needed and not provided. The first document we're requesting will be a list of expenses. This list of expenses does not have to be on one of our OWEB recommended tracking sheets. You may make your own, or you may use an accounting report. The second document will be the actual receipts to back up the payment request. Accounting records, invoices, mileage logs, etc. OWEB fiscal staff will review the receipts and compare them to the list of expenses to ensure all financial guidelines are being met. For more information about budgeting, receipts, and guidelines, please see our document Go Big, standing for Guidance on Budgeting and Grants. In spite of our best attempts, occasionally something will go wrong. There are several error messages that may come up. Here's what a few of them mean. The computer is telling you there must be a numerical value greater than 0 in the requested amount box. You may choose to not provide receipts at the same time as your payment request. You must enter some numerical amount in the receipts area, or you will get a fail message. 0 counts as a numerical amount. Something must be in the signature area, and we prefer it to be the name of the person who prepared the request and has the authority to act on behalf of the agency. Thank you for watching our video. OWEB has worked to develop a video library of grant management videos. 2 videos you may be interested in are receipts and tracking sheets.